and they're off. Fame and Fortune draws for your lead. Moving up down on the inside, Princess Atiana, then followed by Leave My Mark, running alongside Daman Surya. Next in line is Ideal View, moving up Tribal King Bonjour, moving up down on the inside, then followed by Jersey Jewel, Blush of Rose from the outside, and trailing them is for a Security Thunder. Back to the leader, Princess Atiana, Fame and Fortune in second, racing in third, Leave My Mark, Daman Surya, then moving up is the outstanding favorite Jersey Jewel, this time on a perfect striking position, catching the second spot as they turn for home. Princess Atiana, Jersey Jewel moving up on the outside and now grabbing the lead. We have Jersey Jewel leading the field by about 2 lengths above Leave My Mark, Princess Atiana, Blush of Rose, and leading the finish line to Classy for tonight's final race, Jersey Jewel. Leave My Mark, Princess Atiana, close between Blush of Rose and number 1, Bonjour.
Okay, 7-2-3, order of arrival para sa race number 11, close for 4.